Inom mo na bago umalis. Kasi matagal lang tayo hindi kakain. Kaya natin mag-fasting. Let's go.
Sinang bahay?
Susi, andito na sa akin.
The all-time favorite.
Thank God it's Friday. Tayo naman ay may pupuntahan at celebrate ng birthday ng ating Coach Bea. Ano ba naman? Naiirita ako sa turtleneck ko. Hindi na lang kailangan mag-turtleneck na para masanay tayo. Let's go and enjoy the day. Pinaka-minimum.
Sabi mo kasi yung ano.
Perfect.
Sige.
Ito yung tinatawag na pre-steak. Pre-steak dinner. Takoyaki na malamig, pero masarap. Sausage. Mahal lang po, mahal. Celebrate ang my birthday. Mag-celebrate muna ang mga kids. Tayo ay, we will go to let's go. We are here. So ay nakapag-register na at tayo papasok na. Let's go! Sorry, 148. Ito, 148 to 150. Yung tatlo. Ay, baka nandun pa kasi. 148.
Ano na, madam? Anong bibili ni madam?
Ningal ako. Ano nangyari sa inyo?
Wala lang. Go, go.
Meron ng kaso ano na lang din.
Ito na lang.
Sobrang konti. At saka sobrang konti na.
Ito na lang.
Yan na lang po.
Gawa siya ako.
I was given the topper about
Sarap nito. Sarap to. Gastos ni Bea.
Hindi ako talaga nagdala dito.
Sino magbabayad nito? Si Bea? Is? Sit pa ako sa steak. Ayoko na magkape. Nasusuka na ako. Ay, alam ko na. Mag-order ako ngayon pang bukas. No? Huwag kang iinom ha. Bukas na yon, okay? Bye.
Hey.
Meron pa doon?
Wala na. Yun o.
Close na naman ang Shangri-La at nasarado na naman tayo ng mall. Pauwi na tayo. See you tomorrow sa ating morning prayer, 7 a.m. And today's wrap up, masarap yung longhorn. Pero, meron pa rin akong steak, bias. Steak bias. So, kaya, see you na lang dun sa ating steak bias. Kakain ulit tayo. De, joke lang. And I hope naging masaya ang celebration ng ating birthday. Celebrant si Bea. See you in the next birthday celebration. Bye!
Ooh, I know you were made to be alive at the end of the world. Ooh, I know you want me to kiss you dry when we get out of bed.
Seven. It's tea.
Saya Sam, how's your day today?
My day,
Yeah.
it was perfect. And the kids and I had so much fun. But when I saw Jong right there, I just thought I was lost. I just thought.
3 a.m. and you're still online. I'm in my room waiting for a sign of life. My phone's off noise mode. I'll think of watch another episode just to leave my thoughts behind. What do you feel right now? Are you texting that girl from next door? Which waves are you watching now? I can't handle this no more.
Okay. Are you tired today?
I still have more energy.
Still have more energy.